So trying to get the family Burnout wagon back on the road for the first time in, well, 2020. It's been a while.
Family Burnout wagon is my 1983 Chevy Malibu station wagon with a supercharged Chevy small block and a ton of other upgrades that make it an absolute tire shredder. Its L31 roller block does not have a mechanical fuel pump provision, so we had to add this Astro or Safari van fuel pump, which did not appreciate sitting after we switched over to E85.
The fuel pump is dead. A lot of people ask me what fuel pump that I use. The fuel pump that it's on there right now is SFP003. You have this vent right here, and this is the one that I would recommend using because it has this turnover valve right here. And if the car flips over, this little ball inside of here will actually stop it from venting. This big Hurricane vent right here, it does not have that. Now, because we're running E85, I might actually upgrade this to a bigger like pump. But for right now, you know, it hooks up, and I might be able to buy one for just like $30 or $40. So I'll go ahead and probably just get that.
Unfortunately, during reinstallation, I dropped this sleeve down into the tank, and I couldn't fit my big mitts down there. Luckily, reinforcements were standing by.
Just that. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.